Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a little package here from Sweet Kawaii. I subscribe to her monthly kits, and this is one of them for the month of March. So, and she plans a couple of months ahead for her kits because she, thinks that maybe us planners would use them a little early. So that's kind of nice. I'm going to cut this open because I fight with this tape almost every month, and it's just so strong. It's hard to open up. So I will open it this way. Thank you for supporting our small business, Tessa and Zach, and it's so cute. And I can reuse those. So this is for May. Like I said, she goes a couple of months in advance. And I get two different kits. So this one is either, I think this is the itty bitty one. Yes, this is the itty bitty kit. And it has the May calendar, little monkey there. And just this says monthly kit paid, first of the month, monthly kit shipped the 5th of the month. Here is a cute little sticker. It says Live Simply. Has this little critter that I love. And then, so she always includes the wacky holidays for the month, which are just kind of fun to put on my calendar. And there's one for every day of the month. So it's kind of fun. Have a Coke Day, World Password Day, Nutty Fudge Day, Walnut Day, Piercing Day, Memo Day, Grape Popsicle Day, Paperclip Day. You get it. It's kind of silly, but it's kind of fun. So I usually put one of those on each day just to see what day it is. Kind of fun. Oh, there's Star Wars Day, May 4th. May the 4th. And then here are some headers and just cute little, I love these colors. Some full boxes, Happy Mother's Day, a little progress each day adds up to big results. Live life in full bloom, live simply. I use these stickers at work, but then I also will use them on my weekly here, so you'll see some of these again. Hello May, time to bloom, take time to make your soul happy. Weekend stickers, little banners with flowers. Here's some functionals and other boxes. And here are the days of the week and the dates. And then all of the little functionals down here. And you get a page of washi. I just think these boxes are so much, or these kits are so much fun. And I really enjoy seeing what it is each month. I love the idea of getting something each month and unboxing it and just seeing what it is. You guys know that I do that frequently with lots of different things. Yarn, stickers, FabFitFun, makeup, my Ipsy box. I used to do BoxyCharm too, but I haven't gotten that one recently. I didn't mean to cancel it, but I must have not renewed it and just never signed back up, and honestly I don't need it, but it is a fun one too. So I will leave her information below and you can check her out, but it's Sweet Kawaii design and she has really cute stickers. The only thing that might be a little bit different from other stickers of hers is the fact that they are vinyl, which I love, but some people might not like, but you do have to use like a Sharpie or something on them to get them to work. A regular pen will work okay, like a ballpoint pen, but you have to let it dry, and some of them might not work, so I don't want to tell you that for sure, but I can use a ballpoint pen and they'll be all right as long as I let it dry, but you can't use a gel pen because it will totally smear. So whatever, I love them anyway. I think they're great, and they're just so vibrant and pretty too. So I hope that you guys check her out, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. I'll talk with you soon. Oh, and here it even tells you about pens not being created equal. So thanks for watching, and check her out. Bye-bye.